Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the first glimpse of a car that's set to ignite your excitement, the highly anticipated 2025 BMW M8. Buckle up as we explore its design, performance, and interior in detail. Let's kick off with the head-turning exterior. The 2025 M8 maintains the classic BMW silhouette, but with sharper lines and a more aggressive stance. The iconic kidney grille is more pronounced, complemented by sleek LED headlights that illuminate the night. The coupe roofline creates a stunning profile, while the sculpted fenders hint at the power under the hood. At the rear, a striking diffuser and stylish tail lights complete the dynamic look. Now, onto what truly gets us revved up the performance. While BMW is keeping specifics under wraps, rumors hint at an upgraded twin-turbo V8 engine delivering between 600 and 620 horsepower. This translates to a blistering 0 to 60 mph time of around 3.1 seconds, firmly placing it in supercar territory. However, the M8 isn't just about raw power, it's expected to uphold BMW's exceptional handling and driver engagement. Stepping inside, the M8 greets you with a luxurious yet driver-focused cabin. M Sport seats wrapped in supple merino leather provide comfort during spirited drives. The redesigned dashboard features a bold full-width air vent and a revised steering wheel, placing controls conveniently at your fingertips. A sleek 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system is seamlessly integrated for a modern feel, complemented by upgraded interior materials and soft-touch surfaces throughout. In terms of technology, the 2025 M8 is anticipated to be loaded with cutting-edge features. BMW's latest drive system will likely take center stage, offering improved connectivity, voice commands, and a customizable digital instrument cluster. Driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning are also expected, enhancing safety without compromising on the driving experience. The 2025 BMW M8 caters to those who seek the best of both worlds: exhilarating performance and luxurious comfort. It's crafted for driving enthusiasts who appreciate a car that can dominate a racetrack yet turn heads on a leisurely cruise. While the release date is yet to be confirmed, speculation points to a late 2024 or early 2025 debut. Pricing is expected to reflect its exclusivity and performance capabilities. In summary, the 2025 BMW M8 promises to be a masterpiece of automotive engineering, pushing boundaries in performance and luxury. If you crave the ultimate expression of BMW's DNA, the M8 deserves a top spot on your wish list. Thanks for joining us on this first look at the 2025 BMW M8. What are your thoughts on this beast? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content.